Yeah, I'm on the other side of the Anang, so I'll get like Brazil chicken rice for 60 baht, so very good price. It's like more local here. Their blood is to test vaccines is very expensive. Yeah, have a cool view, some durian. Yeah, it's kind of weird, like I was in the market, one dude came, then another lady came, they bought like 2 durian and they paid 150, and I said give me one. He said 170. I'm like, oh, come on man, like annoying. So this is the famous crab. They said you need to take a picture with him. Krabi town is so boring. I'm glad I'm not staying here. Hey, ending October 7th. Yeah, see ya.